Hey guys, welcome back to Kingdom Life TV. My name is Rashida. Today we're gonna be cleaning. The house needs cleaning and it needs to be decorated for Christmas. We have been wanting to do that for about 2 weeks now, but there's so much to get done. We did a photo shoot last week at my mom's house, so I didn't get a chance to do it last week. Plus, we work and we have a business and we are trying to make time for each other. We have a child. Life is life. And so tonight I am going to be taking on the task of cleaning up. So I want you guys to clean with me because I want to sleep, but this needs to be done. So I'm starting with the area that we spend basically most of our time. Every day that area needs cleaning. We clean it, then we sit in it, we use that area. Persons come to visit us. This is basically the area that we used. We've had these couches for a while, so the sponges, after sitting over time, it gets a bit worn, so we have to fluff them so that they can look good. So yeah. Homemaking is something that I have come to love a lot, but I realize that it's an art. It really takes great creativity because I've been struggling for quite a while with what to put in the house so that it looks great, so that it looks like a woman lives there, so that it looks, pleasing to the eyes. So it's been taking me a while, but I honestly feel like these couches look a lot better in person. On camera, they give a dirty vibe, but they look a bit green, like army green or olive green, but it's actually more gray and it looks nice, but on camera it doesn't look so nice. I think what I might need to do is to get some throw pillows to kind of brighten it up a bit. So let's see. At this point, I started to feel really tired. I went to work today, had an event last night, so it's a lot going on. But these things need to get out of the space because we need to begin to decorate for Christmas. We used some marquees, we used candles, we used vases, we used flowers, centerpieces, a bunch of stuff we have right here, as you can see in the boxes. So we got to clear those out to create that space for us to get our Christmas vibe on the way. At this point, I was listening a bit of Sarah Jakes Roberts. She was sharing her testimony. My God, such a wonderful testimony. Yeah, so these boxes that you see, I think I'm gonna be wrapping them. And to put under the tree. So it's time to get some stuff out of the way. We need to create a space. I believe I'm gonna be putting our Christmas tree somewhere off in this area. So we gotta make some space for it. I have never really paid much attention to this area, but I have some ideas for it. We're gonna be covering that panel box. I'm hoping to put a plant in there as well. And then I think I saw someone do some picture lights with some photos on YouTube, so I might try something like that.
For angels being dispatched to every hospital room, every hospital floor. God, I know first.
So now we're cleaning the breakfast area that has never been used for breakfast, but yeah, that's what we call it. So what you're seeing is sometimes things get stored on there. There you can see like hairsprays and stuff. Oh yeah, we're doing an experiment with balloons to see if those sprays could be used to polish the balloons. Yeah, so just gonna take some time and pack up quickly. So yeah, homemaking can be a lot. It actually is work, you know. So if you are finding it difficult, if you're finding that you are exhausted, it's not just you, it is all of us. Having a home is a wonderful blessing. It's a really big blessing. But as I always say, every blessing, it comes with a responsibility or responsibilities. So don't worry, God gives grace. You just have to, ask him for it and just get up and do what needs to be done. At this point, I just want to pause to give a shout out to the aunts, uncles, mothers, fathers, grandmothers, cousins, like the neighbor, all the people that made Christmas possible when I was a child for all of us, not just me, but the persons watching. Did you know that Christmas it really does take a lot of work? It takes a lot of effort and money and intentionality because you are a full-on adult. You work, you have kids, you have so much to do, and you really just want to sit, watch TV, take care of yourself. But it's a tradition. You are a part of the generation. You have your part to do too. And just as how our parents did it for us, if your parents did it, we have to do the same for our kids, our nieces, our neighbors' kids, the kids at church. We have to do it. So, but I didn't know that it really took this much work. And sometimes our parents didn't have that kind of money to buy the presents and the tree and the garland and do all that nice decor that you sometimes see on TV or your friends at school had. So now we get that opportunity to do it, and we know now that it was not easy, but by the grace of God, just do what you can. Don't stress yourself out. Do what you can, and just teach your kids and whosoever to be grateful, because some do not have it, and some they have it, but the strength that it takes to really get the holidays off the ground to make it beautiful, it takes a lot. But it's possible with time management and wanting to do it. It can work. You just have to, once again, ask God for grace and get up and do it. Homemaking, taking care of your home, getting things to flow in your home, it's not an easy task, but it is very much possible. We are almost at the end of this cleanup video, so we are just doing the dishes. What you're seeing is we had an event last night, so we have some stuff to wash up from that event. If you look closely, you'll see a jar, a vase with a bunch of candles in it, and plus I had made dinner earlier, so it was a lot going on. Husband going out to work, so it's a lot going on. So now it's time for the cleanup. It's almost time to start the decorations. I find that one key to making your house look clean, especially your kitchen, is to have the counters cleared. Not have a lot of clutter, cups, plates, pans, utensils, paper. Not to have those things on the counter. So what I'm doing right now, there are some dishes there that needs to be packed away. I think my husband had washed them, so they have been drained. Now it's time to just pack them away so the counters can be looking clean. yeah, that took a lot out of me. At one point, or at 5 points, I wanted to quit. I actually did quit a few times, but I said, okay, I've got to get up and get this done. So thank you for watching. Just have a look.